Okay, getting ready here to do a heat check on this Lennox 80% gas furnace. And we're just inspecting the flue here, making sure we don't see any signs of rust or holes. Looks like it goes into a T to B vent. But we're gonna go ahead and open this up. We're gonna undo these screws here. Usually you can kind of just loosen these up. Just kind of lift up on the top. And got the gas valve here. And so what we're going to do today is we're going to check the incoming and outgoing gas pressure to the burners here. So we're also going to take that out. So first of all, we're going to go ahead and kill the power. And the LED light is gone. So let's go ahead and remove this flame sensor, see what that looks like. So that looks pretty good. Make sure there's no cracks in this. Doesn't look burnt or anything. This was just installed. This furnace was just installed this past summer, so we only ran the heat just to test it out, but we're gonna go ahead and do a heat check today just to make sure everything, gas pressure is working the way it's supposed to. And everything comes on. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna go ahead and turn the gas valve off. We're gonna go ahead and get our manometer. So we'll set this down here. Okay, so basically use an Allen key, but for this type of gas valve, I'm gonna use this T handle. What size is this? This is 3/16. You can't see, but basically you're gonna remove this. I already went ahead and got it loose. Again, make sure the gas valve is off. Once you got that removed, we can go ahead and slide this in. This is from our manometer. Just got the hose tubing, a little threaded barb fitting that goes in there. A little wrench to go ahead and just give it a nice little, so it's nice and snug. Same thing on this side. That's the outgoing on the gas valve. So I already took that out. So just go ahead and put it somewhere. Remember not to lose it. And we're gonna go ahead and attach this side in there. Connect your tubing. Okay, once everything is connected on this gas valve to my manometer, we can go ahead and make sure it is zeroed. And we're going to measure what's going into the gas valve, and we're going to measure what's coming out and supplying the gas furnace. And if you look here down Let's see here. Where is it on the data plate? So, okay. Manifold gas pressure, 3.5 inches of water column. And later on, we're going to get the temperature rise. Should be between 30 and 60. So we're reading 0. I'm going to turn this gas valve on. We got 21. Make sure that's correct. Can't see. Okay. Let's see. Grab my flashlight. So we got 8.37 inches of water column. So let's go ahead and turn the gas furnace on and then see what our outgoing is. Okay, I already set the thermostat to heat. We're going to go ahead and turn the power back on. And there we go. We got the inducer motor just kicked in. I just went ahead and put my thermometer in the return side. Filter is going to need to get changed. It was installed in April 2023, and I went ahead and put our supply in there. So we got our hot surface igniter, and we got our gas pressure that is on. So let's see, let's go to, so right now we're reading P1, which is the supply gas is 5.11. I'm gonna go hit P2, and we have 3.57 coming out on this side of the gas valve. So 3.58, 3.59, 3.47. So it kind of fluctuates a little bit. But we got the burners, as you can see. And we wanted somewhere between 3.5, which is right there on the money there. So we'll let this furnace run for a little bit. 70-degree return air. And our supply is 98. We'll let it run for about 10 minutes. Alright, so it's been about 10 minutes. We're at 72 on the return. And we kind of leveled out at 120 on the supply. So that's about 48. And we wanted somewhere between, I can't see, between 30 and 60. So everything looks good. There's a little flashing code there. Alright, so we're going to go ahead and shut this off. Okay, inducer turned off, and our gas pressure on this side of the gas valve, we're reading 0.08, and on this side of the incoming we're reading 8.87. So once we got that all, once the unit's shut off, we can go ahead and turn turn the gas valve off, disconnect our hoses. And we can go ahead and start disconnecting these. Might smell a little residual of gas. Which I can smell now. Okay, once you have these all back in place, nice and tight, then we can go ahead and turn the gas valve back on. We'll go ahead and grab our thermometers there. Just got my CO detector in case we're reading any CO. And we'll go ahead and put this door back on, and that's it.